Konnichiwa minasan. Today we will learn 3 verbs in Japanese. The verb is in masu form. Masu form verb is used for present tense and future tense sentences and is more polite than a dictionary form. If you want to say I eat sushi in Japanese is watashi wa sushi wo tabemasu. Watashi means I, wa is particle for subject, tabemasu means eat, and you must put the noun in front and the verb in back, and use particle wo in between the noun and the verb. If you want to say I drink green tea, the sentence is ocha wo nomimasu. Ocha is green tea and nomimasu is drink. Now I will teach you how to say I read book. Watashi wa hon wo yomimasu. Watashi means I, hon means book, and yomimasu means read. So if you want to say I read book in Japanese is watashi wa hon wo yomimasu. That's all for now. Bye. Ja mata.